How to fix the app not compatible with your phone problem on Android. So if you want to fix the app is not compatible with your phone problem on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply open up your Play Store. From your Play Store, you need to go with your profile, which will be on the top right. From your profile, you need to scroll down and go with settings. Under settings, you will get this kind of option. You need to go with general, and under general, you need to scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of app install optimization. You need to just simply go and toggle the option on. Once you toggle the option on, you need to go back and then tap and hold on to your Play Store and go with app info. Under the app info section, you need to scroll down, go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. Or you need to go back, and then if you download your applications from your Chrome browser as well, you need to tap and hold on to your browser, go with the app info, and then scroll down a bit, go with storage and cache, and go with clear cache. After clearing your cache, you need to go back and then make sure that you allowed all of the permissions. After allowing your permissions, just simply go back and restart your device. After restarting, the problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.